Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2014 Mitsubishi ASX, stock number 6893. It's around from the 5th 2013 to 5th 2019. It has a 4N14 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine built by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4N14 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory made tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory made tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory made tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory made tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,